Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. If you're new to my channel and you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, like, and comment. It won't cost you anything. Totally free. So we will continue on our quest with painting on 9-inch wood heart-shaped panels. So next week will be our last week that we do the heart-shaped panels. It will be Valentine's, at least for a while. So today's pour will be a bloom pour. It will, instead of doing the bloom and then spinning it on a spinner, I'm going to stretch it. Now I didn't get the results that I really wanted. I didn't get as many cells as I wanted. I think my paint is a little bit thick, but you know me, I'll try it again. But I do like the pour anyway, so I will end up, once this completely dries and cures, I will actually seal it with the resin. So I'll let you sit back and watch the video. I'm Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Creating is what we do.